Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to restore Windows. Why do we restore Windows? The first thing, when our computer is slow, we restore Windows. And the second thing, when your apps or the software gets corrupted, we restore Windows. As we all know that Windows has been advanced and this is Windows 10, no need to format your computer and you don't need the bootable device. Go to the Start button and tap. Go to the settings. Do not miss out any steps. Move your mouse to the Upgrade and Security and click. And there is a recovery option at the left hand side. Click on the recovery option. And here you will see two options, Reset this PC and Advanced Startup. A simple and easiest method is the first option, Reset this PC. Advanced Startup is very complicated. Let us choose the first option. As you can see, there are two options. The first option means you can remove apps and settings. Your settings will be in default when you go to the first option. But you can keep your personal file. You don't need to back up your files. You will lose all the apps and the third-party software and your settings, but you will never lose your personal files. This is guarantee. Your all settings will be default. The advantage is, even you restore your Windows, your file will be as it is. Before going to the second option, I would request you guys to please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Simple and easy. The second option means you will remove all your files, all your settings, all your apps and software from all the drives. The disadvantage is you have to back up your files. You need external device to back up all your files from a computer. And the advantage is your computer will be fully cleaned. This is a factory reset option. Let's dig into the first option. Now these are the two options. Cloud download. Cloud download means you need a Wi-Fi connection or internet connection to download Windows updated version. And the local reinstall means you don't need the internet connection. Maximum user uses the second option, the easiest and the best method to restore Windows. Leave as it is. Just click next and your Windows will be reinstalled. All your apps and the software will be deleted. Only your files will be safe. It will approximately take 1 to 2 hours. Now let's go to the second option. Tap on the second option. I would recommend you do not choose the cloud download option. It will take more than 5 to 6 hours. Depends upon the internet speed. For best result, choose the second option. The important thing you should know, before going any further, please back up your all files. It will delete all the files, softwares from your drives and will also delete the settings. And if you go to the change settings, there are many options. Keep as it is. There is an option to clean all the drives. It will take maximum time. For now, we will only clean the C drive, so we will keep as it is. This option will get your computer back to the factory reset. In normal computer, it will take 3 to 4 hours. Take this step very carefully. You have to back up all your files, and if you don't know how to back up your files, I will give you the link in the description below. And also you can see the link in the I button that is displayed on the screen right now. This is how it is done. Please comment down below which one was your best option. If you have any Windows queries, please message me on Instagram. Follow me on Telegram for free softwares.